door openings too, but one we'll be using for this video is this door opening. So click on door opening here, click on this. The wall where the door is located is 225 wall, because the one time was at 225. The number of floor is 1. Leave number at 0 if you don't have a window schedule. Then the width is 0.9, while the height is 2.1, still on ground floor. Okay. So with this, you'll select all your 900 windows, doors rather, your 900 doors, they're all timber doors, unless otherwise stated by the architect. Okay. You have all of these as your 900 walls. Okay, good. Then right click stop. The next door is 750 doors, so that'll be your 230. Number of floors 1. The width is 1.2. The height is 2.1. Still on ground floor. Now click the same. Now the next one is your 750 wall door. That's this one. So pick this here. The wall is 225. Number of floor is 1. The width is 0.75 and the height is 2.1. Okay. Then this here. So that's all for your doors. And let's work on our windows. This is also 1.8. So click on window. That's window opening here. Turn this on. So these windows are on your 225 walls also. The width is 1.8. The number of floors is 1. Leave this number at 0. The height is 1.2. Okay. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you are new. So click 1 and 2. I think it's just those two, that is 1.8. The next ones are 1.2 by 1.2. So click this here. You have 225. Window width is 1.2. Number of floors is 1. The window height is also 1.2. Okay. So pick this in this manner, pick 1. Okay. And that's all for that. The last one is your 600 by 750. That's this one here. In this, that's your 225. The window width is 0.6. Number of floors is 1. Your height is 0.75. Okay. And pick just this window is what you're using here. And that is how you pick for your window. See, we have a legend here also. Once you are done with this now, you come back to our Blockwork. Now this was here. Double click on this. So for this, we have your total deduct. Okay, and we have the other previous method of deduction, which we'll not be using. We'll be using this total deduct. So total door area here, if you total door area, that's what we have on the edges here. So we have 20.18 plus the next one is 2.5 plus next one is 1.6. For the next for windows, we have 4.3. We have this as 4.3 plus 11.5 plus 0.5. That's for these two. Then click on OK. So with this now we've deducted for our openings already and we are good to go. So once you are done with this here, that's all for your Blockwork and your openings. You come to the ADLM Takeoff tool. You see it has the same logo as the other tools here. So you click on this ADLM plugin. That's the final Takeoff tool. So once you click on this, it loads the app for you. Now once it loads this, we have Takeoff being done on ground floor. I'm sure we remember we got this substructure and first floor folders in our last video. So if you check out the wall area, you click on this, you have your wall rendering. So you have your wall area and your wall rendering here. For your door opening, that's calculated total area for your door opening as this. So you have your total lintel concrete, total formwork, and total reinforcement bar in kilogram. You have your learning to surface less than 300 mm. That's in the BSMM. So we have this here as it's 1.9. Then you have your schedule for you 225 walls. We have your 0.9 by 2.1 window. 1.2 by 2.1, and this also you have a schedule also attached. So you have your attached lintel details, reinforcement details, rendering, and your window schedule based on your takeoff that you've done. For the next one also, you check out window opening. For window opening also same thing. You have your windows, yeah, 1.8 by 1.2 window. You have your concrete formwork, reinforcement, rendering, and this. So that's how you make use of the plugin for windows and door and Blockwork. So in the next video, we'll be looking at finishes, then we'll go down to roof, then probably electrical. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for more on how to make use of the ADLM PlanSwift plugin and the new app that comes with the plugin. Don't forget, if you need this plugin, you can always reach out via the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Okay, have a wonderful day.